Welcome to Healthsabram, your ultimate guide to cultivating healthy habits for a balanced lifestyle. In our channel, we provide in-depth insights and practical tips to help you make informed choices for optimal well-being. Join us as we explore various aspects of nutrition, fitness, self-care, and mindset to empower you on your journey to a healthier and happier life. Here are 30 healthy habits for a balanced lifestyle. 1. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. A healthy breakfast provides the energy and nutrients needed to kickstart your day. 1. Opt for whole grains, lean proteins, and fruits or vegetables to fuel your body and enhance cognitive function. 2. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Water is essential for maintaining optimal bodily functions. 2. Aim to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water daily to stay hydrated, support digestion, regulate body temperature, and promote healthy skin. 3. Prioritize regular physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise is crucial for overall health. 3. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. 3. This can include activities such as walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or dancing. 4. Incorporate strength training exercises. Strength training helps build and maintain muscle mass, improves bone density, and boosts metabolism. 4. Include exercises like weightlifting, resistance band workouts, or bodyweight exercises to strengthen your muscles and enhance overall physical fitness. 5. Practice portion control. Controlling portion sizes is essential for maintaining a balanced diet. 5. Use smaller plates, read food labels, and be mindful of portion sizes to prevent overeating and promote healthy weight management. 6. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 6. Aim to include a colorful variety in your meals to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients and promote overall health. 7. Limit processed and sugary foods. Processed and sugary foods can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and various health issues. 7. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible and limit your consumption of added sugars and artificial ingredients. 8. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your eating experience and being present in the moment. 8. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 8. This can help prevent overeating and improve your relationship with food. 9. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for physical and mental well-being. 9. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to support brain function, hormone regulation, immune health, and overall vitality. 10. Practice stress management techniques. Chronic stress can negatively impact your health. 10. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, journaling, or engaging in hobbies that help you relax and unwind. 11. Make time for relaxation and self-care. Self-care activities are essential for maintaining balance and promoting well-being. 11. Set aside time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as taking a bath, reading a book, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in creative pursuits. 12. Incorporate regular stretching exercises. Stretching helps improve flexibility, enhance range of motion, and prevent muscle imbalances or injuries. 12. Include stretching exercises as part of your fitness routine or dedicate specific time to stretch each day. 13. Get outdoors and connect with nature. Spending time in nature has numerous benefits for mental and physical health. 13. Take walks in the park, go hiking, or simply sit outside and enjoy the fresh air and sunlight to boost mood, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. 14. Cultivate a positive mindset. Your mindset plays a significant role in your overall health and happiness. 14. Practice gratitude, positive affirmations, and positive self-talk to cultivate a positive outlook and enhance your overall well-being. 15. Develop a consistent sleep routine. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. 15. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and improves the quality of your sleep. 16. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time can contribute to sedentary behavior, eye strain, and disrupted sleep patterns. 16. Set boundaries on your screen time and take regular breaks to rest your eyes and engage in other activities. 17. Practice good hygiene habits. Maintain good hygiene practices such as regular hand washing, dental care, and personal grooming. 17. These habits contribute to overall health and prevent the spread of infections and illnesses. 18. Engage in hobbies and activities you enjoy. Hobbies and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment are essential for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. 18. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, painting, gardening, or cooking, make time for activities that nourish your soul and boost your overall well-being. 19. Foster meaningful connections. Social connections are vital for mental and emotional well-being. 19. Spend quality time with family and friends, cultivate new relationships, and engage in activities that allow for meaningful connections and support. 20. Set realistic goals. Setting goals gives you a sense of purpose and direction. 20. Set realistic and achievable goals related to your health, career, relationships, or personal growth, and work towards them step by step. 21. Practice time management. Efficiently managing your time helps reduce stress and enhances productivity. 21. Prioritize tasks, delegate when possible, and create a schedule or to-do lists to make the most of your time and avoid unnecessary stress. 22. Seek opportunities for personal and professional growth. Lifelong learning and personal growth are essential for a balanced lifestyle. 22. Engage in activities that expand your knowledge, skills, and interests, whether it's taking online courses, attending workshops, or reading books on topics of your interest. 23. Cultivate a clutter-free living space. A clutter-free environment promotes a sense of calm and organization. 23. Regularly declutter and organize your living space to create a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere that supports your well-being. 24. Practice deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises help activate the body's relaxation response and reduce stress. 24. Incorporate deep breathing techniques into your daily routine or whenever you feel overwhelmed or anxious. 25. Stay up to date with health checkups. Regular health checkups, screenings, and preventive care are vital for maintaining optimal health. 25. Schedule regular visits with your healthcare provider to monitor your health and address any concerns. 26. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people fosters a nurturing environment and contributes to your overall well-being. 26. Seek out relationships that uplift and inspire you. 27. Practice gratitude. Expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life promotes a positive mindset and enhances overall happiness. 27. Take a moment each day to acknowledge and appreciate the things you are grateful for. 28. Engage in acts of kindness. Random acts of kindness not only benefit others but also bring joy and fulfillment to your life. 28. Look for opportunities to help others, whether it's volunteering, donating, or simply offering a kind word or gesture. 29. Practice self-reflection and self-awareness. Self-reflection allows you to understand your emotions, thoughts, and behaviors better. 29. Set aside time for self-reflection, journaling, or meditation to gain insights into yourself and make positive changes. 30. Embrace balance and moderation. Strive for balance in all aspects of your life, including work, relationships, and self-care. 30. Embrace moderation in your diet and lifestyle choices, avoiding extremes and finding a sustainable and healthy middle ground. Incorporating these 30 healthy habits into your daily routine can help you create a balanced lifestyle that supports your overall well-being. Remember, it's important to start small and make gradual changes over time to ensure long-term success in adopting these habits.